Hey guys, there's money in these.
Yeah, I mean, it's for sale.
Homeless and everything else.
Hey guys, it's Brandon with Investment Joy, and I'm so excited about this video. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. We were able to actually go and replace the food in my vending machine with money. Today's sponsor, Moo Moo, helped me see what would happen if I replaced some of the snacks with cold, hard cash. You'll love some of these reactions. So I've discovered this is really hard to put money in a vending machine in a busy laundromat. We just kicked everybody out for maintenance. I gotta work on this vending machine real quick, and then 3 to 5 minutes, then come back in.
Okay.
Oh, I hope this is right. The financial wolf's out there and he's blocking traffic. People come in the laundromat. We're going to see how long it takes for them to figure out that I've put hundreds of dollars in the vending machine instead of snacks. Let's see what happens.
Hey kid, hey, I'm not sure if you're interested, but we just wanted to hand out some money. If you want like free snacks inside the store, just like, go ahead. All right, cool.
Figure out what you want.
Do I use this money too? Or?
You can use that too. Really think about what you want. Nice, there we go.
I saw that. I just figured it was more money. I don't really know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. You can keep going.
Thank you a lot.
Of course.
That's awesome.
All right, guys. You like money because you watch my channel. This video is sponsored by one of the best money sponsors we've ever had, Moo Moo, the premier stock trading platform. Moo Moo is one of my absolute favorite stock trading platforms. It's extremely easy to use. The trading platform is both available for mobile and desktops. And I really want you to sign up, so here's what's in it for you. Just sign up and you'll get some free stock. Just by signing up and making a small deposit, I got $12 in free stock. And right now you can earn up to 5 stocks by signing up. You even have a chance at getting Amazon stock, which at the time of this video is going for almost $2,900 per share. Secondly, I'm going to give you my personal stock trading course. And when I say stock trading, it's not really a trading course. I'm just going to show you the things that I buy and how I made $34,000 last year in really boring investments. So do me a huge favor, sign up to Moo Moo today. A link is in the description below. Then get my free boring stock investment course so you can secure your financial future the same way that I'm doing for my family. And it's super easy to do with their app. I'll show you how. He wants more quarters. Yeah. Take some more quarters. Poor kid, I'm teaching him wrong. So Will from the Financial Wolf came all the way from Wisconsin to here to Central Ohio to do some videos. I'll throw some links in the description of the video so you can go watch them. Anyway, on the third day of filming, this couple came in with their little boy, and like everybody else, I handed him quarters because that's my thing, is giving people quarters. Anyway, it was absolutely hilarious. At some point, the little boy decided that he was just going to start coming to my bucket and regularly grabbing quarters out, which was absolutely hilarious. At some point, we had put more money in the vending machine. I kept letting the kid get quarters out of my bucket and encouraging his parents to go buy some snacks for him. Eventually, they went over, got money out of my vending machine. It's like maybe $100, $200 in bills. And they proudly announced to me that they were going to start a savings account or put it in the piggy bank for them. I told them it was a terrible idea because they should just go with a company like Moo Moo, today's sponsor, and open up the little boy an investment account. And if they would just invest in a boring stock like S&P 500, by the time the boy is in his 70s, he would be quite rich and he could own his own multiple laundromats or car washes. So you want to go find those people that were here? Let me give you...
This is just
For the convenience, yeah.
And convenience, yeah. Let's do that.
You guys, you can go ahead and head back in. My boss also wanted me to give you guys like $2 to get something from the vending machine or something for the inconvenience. So you can head back in whenever. So guys, I'm really excited to see how they react because it looked like they were living in their car and they could really use the money. So this is going to be a good reaction. We're going to keep it low key. I'm excited.
Yay, we got a customer. They're so not discreet. This is hilarious.
Hey guys, there's money in these.
Yeah, I mean, it's for sale.
You're gonna try to get it. Huh? Is this for real or are we being punked or something?
It's for real. It's for real. Are you serious?
Because we're like homeless and everything else. We have a job. We've been working, but everything's been a mess. We've been trying to find a place, can't find a place.
Do I get to come out now?
Yeah.
Was it a good reaction?
Yes.
That was actually a good one.
Grab it.
Thank you.
Of
so
course.
much.
It's so funny that he grabbed Takis first. That was the first thing he grabbed. It was some Takis. I was like, really look at what you're buying.
Thank you a lot.
Of course.
I probably should have chose the other ones first.
Was he somewhat excited?
Yeah, he just didn't know what to say.
Yeah. He's a neighbor kid.
Well, I'm happy we could help you guys out.
Yeah.
Or at least Brandon. He's the one who did it all.
Oh no. So what I'm here for, I try to give everybody a little bit of money every time I come to the laundromat, because I own the place. Thanks for coming to my laundromat.
Thank you.
We always carry our own way.
Are you going to be good customers for quite some time now?
Prices are better too, and it's not nearly as busy.
You're more than welcome. Go get the rest of the money.
We appreciate it.
Oh no, I mean, I'm a very blessed guy, very thankful. My life's doing pretty good right now, so might as well help other people, so.
So our kids are staying with my sister, and we've been living in my truck, and we got our heads on straight, and we're working and everything. Trying to get our life back on track.
I wish you luck. All the luck in the world, you guys.
I appreciate it. God bless you.
He does, believe me.